I just fell into the standard American diet. I was 26, super miserable, super fat, no libido, no zest for life. And my baby was born and he was diagnosed failure to thrive after being born 23 inches and 9 pounds. So one day I was just at a really low point. I went to the grocery store, bought a bunch of healthy stuff, and I went in the kitchen, I just blended up a bunch of random stuff. And I'm not proud of all of what went in that blender, but some of it was handfuls of spinach. And I don't even know where I got that idea, and I'm not sure that the term green smoothie existed at the time. Pretty sure it didn't. So we made a shift in our diet. We started eating whole foods and everything changed. And it was one shift after another until I was a competitive athlete at my ideal weight. My son grew up to be a 6'3" state MVP baseball player, went to the baseball playoffs, and in the finals pitched a shutout and hit 2 grand slams, got to live his destiny. And the standard American diet was gonna destroy that for him.